Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the new version of Excel. First, let's understand how to check your current Excel version and ensure your update settings are optimized. Enabling automatic updates is key for seamless future upgrades, keeping your software fresh without extra effort. We will also cover how to manually update your Microsoft Office suite, ensuring you always have the latest features and improvements at your fingertips. To update directly within Excel, begin by opening the application and navigating to the File tab. From there, look for Account or Office Account in the left-hand menu and click on it. You will then see Update options. Select this, and finally, click Update Now to prompt the system to search for and install any available new versions of your software. This is a straightforward way to keep your program current. For the most consistent access to the latest Excel version, a Microsoft 365 subscription is highly recommended. This service automatically provides continuous updates, ensuring you always have access to the newest features, security enhancements, and performance improvements as soon as they are released. You can easily manage your subscription details and installations for up to 5 devices through your personal Microsoft account online, offering great flexibility. If direct updates aren't working, consider reinstalling your entire Office suite. Sometimes a fresh installation resolves issues. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use a subscription, you can purchase a new standalone version of Excel, which provides a perpetual license for that specific version. Remember, keeping your operating system up to date is also crucial for optimal compatibility and performance with any new software versions you install.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.